Hey guys, welcome to Ani Talks. So today I will be telling you about a mysterious place in Assam, that is Jatinga. So Jatinga is a village on the ridge and is located in Dima Hasao district, Assam state in India. So over last some years, thousands of birds have flown to their death in the land of Jatinga. I think this is a very curious fact. Species like green pigeon, black drone, hill partridge and many more come to this place and mysteriously die by suicide in large numbers. This generally occurs in the month of September to November every year from between 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. on a moonless night. The bird flying here later strikes with the houses, walls and then falls. Question arises. Why do the birds come every year at the exact time and place only to die? Earlier, the tribes here saw how the birds used to fall here, striking with walls, trees, etc. Hence they got worried and hence assumed it to be an evil spirit. Later, in 1905, the Jaintia tribe lived here. They too saw the birds falling and considered it to be the gift from the god. Later, several research was held. According to a famous Orientologist, Anwaruddin Chaudhry, from his book The Birds of Assam, majority of birds are juvenile and are disturbed by the high wind, hence strike with the trees, walls and then falls. Some also tells that during September to November, because of water bodies in Assam, it becomes mandatory for them to migrate and Chatinga falls in this path. Hence, these stressful birds are attracted by the light during the foggy weather, struck with the bamboo sticks, and then they are killed and eaten by them. Later, many of them guided them about this. Hence, there was a reduction of 40% of the death, but still there was 60% of deaths. EP Ghee with Salim Ali claim that it is due to the extensive fog quality and high speed winds that creates disorientation among birds and hence they strike with walls and trees. But the real mystery behind the death of these small birds still continues. So this is all for today. So please like, share, subscribe for more videos.